Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spier Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I want to show you a couple of things on Excel to make your life a little bit easier. One would be freezing the top plane, and one would be to autofill. Two really easy things to do once you know how to do them, and they'll become part of your regular type of deal. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. So over here in the very top corner, we're going to do just some normal things. So we'll say material, quantity, location, and area, I guess. Oops. Okay. First thing we'll do is do auto fill. So what I like to do is you can do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Really you only got to do it 3 times. Then highlight those 4, and then at the very bottom in the little right hand corner, right where my little cross point is, you just kind of tug it down. You'll start to see it auto populate in the on the right side of the box or the column, and you can go as far as you want to, and then it'll autofill itself. It's kind of nice. Alright, so the second thing would be to freeze the plane, which would be in this case this top row here. So you can kind of identify things a little bit easier when you're going down the line, because like once you go past this point, maybe you lose track of quantity, location, whatever the case is. So what you're going to want to do is put your cursor on number 1, then you're going to go to view, click freeze plane, which is right over here. It's going to give you 3 different options. What you're going to want to do with those 3 different options is hit the top row. You can do whatever row makes sense to you, but at that point the top row becomes now frozen, and to unfreeze it is the same process, just in reverse, which you would just go unfreeze planes. It would go back to normal. Once again, my name is John Spier with Warhammer Electric. I hope you guys liked this little video. Please like and subscribe for more. I'm going to be showing you guys all kinds of new stuff, how to do some really neat Excel things, some estimating things, a little bit of everything. So, we're really excited to kind of push this computer thing further than what we currently are right now. So, thank you guys for all your support. Once again, John Spier, Warhammer. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you want to see something else, something different, something computer related, electrical related. Let me know in the comments so I can start planning for that and developing a little lesson for that particular thing. Have a great day, guys.